All right, welcome back to Andrew's Garage. Now today we're kind of just picking up where we left off from the last video, and that's kind of finishing up welding the frame up. And welding the frame up is actually kind of one of my most favorite parts of a vehicle build because it lets you know that you're getting close to putting it together for the last time. So fabrication and welding is something that I always enjoy the most out of everything, and we're getting to the end of it all. So in this video, you're basically going to see me welding up the frame, getting it painted, doing the A arms and 4 link bars and all that, getting all that painted, and we'll actually be putting the body back on the frame. So it's exciting, and I'm excited to show you guys my progress. But thanks for watching. Welcome back for another video on Andrew's Garage. Now I've been putting in a lot of work on this Pontiac frame, trying to get it ready this week for some paint, and I think it's finally at that stage. I've got the full frame welded up back to front, and it turned out pretty good. It's extra beefy, nice and strong the way I like it. A lot of overkill going on, but that's perfectly fine. Basically what I got going on is another coat of direct metal epoxy primer, and that's going to go right over top of this frame, help seal it all in, make sure no moisture and anything like that gets behind. And then I'll come back behind that with some tractor enamel, and it's again that dark Ford 8N gray. I think it'd be a nice touch. I'm going to do the whole frame in that, and then I'm also going to do the A-arms and the rear end. I'm not sure about the motor yet. I think I'm going to end up painting it black. But for now, I know all my suspension, my frame, and everything's going to be that dark gray color. So I'd like to go ahead and get this guy all wiped down, get it all cleared, and start shooting some paint. I just got the frame all painted and done, and now I'm trying to get this rear end all welded up. And my goal is to get this guy all welded up today, get it cleaned up, and get it ready for paint. If I can get it painted without it raining, that'd be cool. But I'd like to just paint it and paint the rear bars as well black. The other front A-arms, I'm gonna look at them, see how they look. If they clean up, because they are powder coated, if they clean up nice, then I won't paint them, but we'll see. But I'm thinking the black accents with the A-arms, rear coilovers, and rear end will make it look not so, I don't know, crappy, I guess. Sometimes when you get stuff all painted the same color, it kind of looks like that dude's S10 where he painted the whole interior red, you know? I don't want that vibe. I kind of want something where it's a thoughtful process in it at least. So I'm going to get to working on the rear end, get it welded up, and see if I can't get these parts painted today. Now I know what you're thinking. You're wondering, how did this guy get the frame together so fast without any video footage? Well, that's just because I didn't record myself really putting any of the front suspension together whatsoever. That was kind of the spur of the moment, and I had time to where people could come over and help me. So I skipped video footage and I just went straight to work to get everything ready, because it's hard to get 5 or 6 people together all at one time, to lend a hand putting the body on. I don't have a lift or anything like that, so it's all it's all by hand. So this is also one of my favorite parts, is watching the project slowly come together, and this is one of the most exciting parts of it. It's also some of the more sketchy stuff, and it's a side that I like, and it's kind of funny. I was quick, and as easy as it was to put the body on, it rolls back into the barn for some more surgery. Now I think that's where I'm going to end today's video, but thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.